Do you also feel that your size is small? Are you also looking for something natural to make your size even bigger, better, and stronger? So stop searching, because we have brought a great product for you that will give you the attention worthy size, and it will definitely blow up your partner's mind. This is a male enhancement formula named Rhino Gold Gel. Rhino Gold Gel is a special gel for men, specially made for your small size problem. Most of the men do not vocal about their problems such as short duration, small size, early discharge, low libido, weak and short orgasm, and many other problems. Well, now you do not have to think about this anymore because Rhino Gold Gel is the solution to all your problems. Rhino Gold Gel stimulates the growth, it lengthens your organ and improves the thickness accordingly. It also increases the stamina by giving you a better erection strength. It activates testosterone synthesis and reduces your reload time, which means your organ will be super ready and charged to perform whenever you want. And you know what? The best part of Rhino Gold Gel is it is made with natural ingredient such as Demiana leaf, which is the natural aphrodisiac which increases desire and endurance. Mura forma, it increases libido and prevents the development of erectile dysfunction. Peruvian maca increases the volume and quality of sperms. And L-arginine normalizes the blood circulation in the pelvic organs and stimulates blood flow to the organ, which makes stronger and bigger. It is a very safe alternative to enhance your size. Now let's talk about how to use it. Squeeze a small amount of gel and rub over the surface of your organ. And don't rub on the head and leave it until completely absorbed. If necessary, the gel can easily be washed off with warm water. See, super easy and effective. To order this amazing gel, Rhino Gold Gel for Men, link is in the description box below. Click on the link and order it now at affordable price. Don't think twice, this is the best and safest method to enhance your bed life without having any side effect and comes with natural properties. A full and complete solution package of your problems. This was it. If you have any queries, you can comment down below to know more. Thank you.